So here we have example 1. So we got 46 times 27. So this is going to be a pretty simple column multiplication. So if we just write out 46 times 27. So we'll start off with the 7 here, and we'll do 7 times 6, which gives us 42. So we put the 2 down here and place the 4 up here. And then we do 7 times 4, which gives us 28, plus the 4 gives us 32. And now we're going to move on to the 2. So now, because we're moving on to the tens column of this number, we have to start with a 0 already here. And then we can just do it like we would normally do a column multiplication. So 2 times 6 is 12. Then we carry the 1. 2 times 4 gives us 8, plus the 1 gives us 9. And then we have to add these two numbers together. So 2 plus 0 gives us 2. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. And 3 plus 9 gives us 12. So that's our final answer for this example. So here we have our next example. So we're going to be looking at 748 divided by 22. So we're going to solve this using some long division. So if we put 748 divided by 22. So we're going to start off as we would with regular division. We're going to look at how many times this number goes into the first digit here. So obviously 22 doesn't go into 7, so we can just put a dot here. And then we can look at how many times does 22 go into 74. Well, we know that 22 times 3 gives us 66, and 22 times 4 gives us 88. So we know that it's going to go in at least 3 times. So we put 3 here. And now we have to figure out the remainder. So if we do 3 times 22 to give us 66, and we subtract here. So 4 minus 6 obviously we can't do, so we have to borrow from the 7. 14 minus 6 becomes 8. 6 minus 6 becomes 0. And now we've got to drag this 8 down to here, which makes this number 88. So how many times does 22 go into 88? Well, we just saw over here 22 times 4 goes exactly. So it becomes 88. So we put 4 here. And now we can do 4 times 22 to give us 88. Here, subtract, which will obviously give us 0. So we know that there's no remainder in this question. And the final answer is 34. In other words, 748 divided by 22 gives us 34. And that's going to be it for today, guys. Just a quick lesson on multiplying and dividing with whole numbers. Although this is a quick lesson, this is just an important step, and it's an important skill we're going to use later on in the course as well. So I just thought I'd want to go through it. So make sure to check back on the channel for future lessons.